Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at the July 2020 Going Gear EDC Club package. Let's see what's inside. So if you guys aren't familiar with Going Gear's EDC Club, it's a monthly subscription service where they handpick really cool gear for you. Anything from flashlights to knives. I even got a wallet in one of these packages. So if you like what you're about to see here, I will have links below in my description box. The price is $60 a month, and you guys can get your own Going Gear package. Alright, so let's open up this bag and check out what we got here. I'm just gonna basically dump everything out, onto the table here. Cool. So this is usually a cheat sheet, so I'm just gonna put this to the side till the end of the video. We have our Going Gear sticker, and then what does this say? Blue collar EDC. It looks like 20% off a sheath for the Rogan USA Mini Scout. Rogan, I'm guessing it's a sheath for this guy. So since I already have this, let's put this off to the side and check this out. So this is a Rogan 100% American made dig, split, pry, and hammer. Check that out. So let's open this up and see what the heck this is, because I don't even know. Whoa. What the heck? Check this thing out. So what exactly is this? So it does have an edge on it. Semi-sharp? Now, it wouldn't, I don't think this can cut paper or my skin, but it's a semi-sharp edge on this thing. It looks a little bit like a fixed blade, except it's not sharp, and it has this chisel grind on it right here. The chisel grind, as you can see, right there. So I'm not familiar with this thing, so let's see what is in here, what kind of info we got. So, oh, that's kind of cool. So yeah, some paracord came with it, and it gives you instructions on how to wrap your own handle with the paracord. That's awesome. Rogan USA, 100% USA made. So as I showed you before, it's just that same card where it says dig, split, pry, and hammer. And just a piece of paper sheath. Was this? Almost grabbed my knife. But it looks like it just came like this. This isn't the real sheath, but that's probably why they say we'll give you 20% off if you come and buy the sheath for this bad boy. So it says, here are some of the many uses. Dig, digging holes in gardening. Split, splitting logs via batoning. Pry, prying away roots and bark. And hammering in tent stakes. So it looks like this blunt end right here is used for hammering, and of course this sharp chisel grind right here is used for batoning. And this is a beefy piece of steel here. I'm not really sure what type of steel this is, so I might have to look up on the Rogan website and see if there's any information about what kind of steel this is, but this is really, really cool. All right, so I looked it up on the Rogan website. So right here on the cheat sheet, it says Rogan USA Scout Mini, $35. So I looked up the Scout on the Rogan website, and it says material. So it says carbon steel at $35, and then it says stainless steel, changes the price to $40. So we have a carbon steel Rogan Scout, and this is really cool. So it says it's 100% American made, 3/16 of an inch thick steel here. It says your choice of carbon or stainless steel, regular or tiger stripe. That's awesome. And it says your choice of paracord wrap, 7.75 inches long, unique acid stonewash finish on carbon models, which is this one. You can see it in the reflection. That's pretty awesome. And then it says there's a Kydex sheath sold separately, and they give you that 20% off code right here if you want to buy that Kydex sheath. So far, I'm really digging this tool right here. So after this video, I'll probably wrap this paracord around it and maybe even grab that Kydex sheath, because I don't know, guys, this is pretty awesome. Oh, and right here on the back, I didn't even mention, there's a little attachment point right here for a lanyard. So yeah, guys, the first thing that I pulled out of this bag here, I love it. All right, now let's throw all this to the side and check this out. So it says tool pen by mininch. Is that supposed to be mini-inch right there? It shows mininch, but I think it might be mini-inch. That just makes sense. But what the heck is this thing? Let's take it out. All right, instructions. Check this out here. So we have some instructions on how to use this thing. So I'll put that down till later. And whoa, look at this thing. What the heck is that? All right, so nothing else in the box. So we have a bunch of bits here. Look at this. We have some flatheads, some Torx, some square drives right here. That's pretty cool. And, oh wow, look at this. Check this out. So the cap just comes right off. It's magnetic. And we have a little tool right here. And what the heck is that? So check this out right here. It looks like we have 5 windows right here. And there's different measurements and different size, maybe different bits in there. What is that? So, where are the instructions? So it says, grab and pull the first bit off the front tube. Insert and push selected bit into the hole at the back. Be sure to fill your pen with 6 bits while operating. So pull this out. What? Check that out. So I just pulled this bit out and this one came in right afterwards. And they're saying insert this bit. I get it. So it basically looks like there's 6 bits in here. And I'm just gonna pull them all out right now. So as soon as I pull one, another one comes in right in its place here. That is awesome. So this is reminding me, there was a pencil in elementary school that had a bunch of little sharpened pencils that fit into a pen just like this. And whenever that pencil got dull, you just pulled it, another sharp one came out and you put it back into the top. So that was probably the inspiration for a tool like this. And I'll tell you why I dig this, because I'm always looking to carry the most amount of tools and also at the same time, the least amount of tools. So this right here combines 6 different tools into one small little package. So say for example, I need my Phillips, I'll put the Phillips in there, and I'm always in the need for Torx bits. So I'll take out these 3 Torx right here, stick them in. There's another Torx right here, let me put that in there. Maybe a larger flathead, all right there, so it labels. It says flathead 4.5. And right here, here's a hex bit at 1/8. So if I put that hex bit in there, and then let's put one of the square drives in there. Oh, I just pushed it right out. So I already had the 6 in there. So right there in those little windows, you can see exactly what I have in there. So if I don't need this Torx anymore, I know exactly what's coming based on that little window. So yeah, guys, this is actually a very useful little pen. I would definitely be carrying this little guy at work. All right, guys, that's all in this month's July 2020 Going Gear EDC Club. We have the Rogan Scout spade tool. Then we have the tool pin from mininch, I think is how you pronounce it. And where is it? Right here. So let's check out the cheat sheet. And right here it says mininch, but I'm just gonna call it the mininch. Perfect streamlined EDC bit set. It incorporates the utility of a bit set into a convenient, sleek tool that can easily fit in your pocket, vehicle, or EDC bag. The tool pen comes with a total of 16 bits and fits a total of 6 at a time. Pick your favorite 6 and load them up and never be without the tool you'll need. I also didn't mention this tool pen is the premium version and it's 69 bucks. And then at 35 bucks, we have the Rogan USA Scout Mini. Dig, split, pry, hammer. The spade tool is designed for work, in the garden, on your car, that stuck drawer in the kitchen, or anything else you can throw at it. Rogan USA was kind enough to produce a video on how to wrap the handle with the included length of paracord. Check his YouTube page at Rogan USA. I'm actually gonna check that out, because I've been trying to brush up on my paracord wrapping skills and I'm kind of curious to see how he's gonna do it. So overall, we have $104 in value for 60 bucks. I mean, you can't beat it. And this is actually stuff that I'm really gonna use. I mean, I'm gonna put this in my car right here after I wrap the cord, and this is going right in my kit for work. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of this month's Going Gear EDC Club? From my experience, everything that I've received from Going Gear is pretty darn useful. They just give you gear that you never knew you wanted until you pull it out of this bag. It's awesome. So as I mentioned before, I will leave links below in my description box to the Going Gear EDC Club website. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this month's box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!